Hey. So I just went to nice to Valentech and this is what happened. Look at this! Oh crap, it's loading. We're really doing a parkour. Look at this! Look at this! So many people! They're just Hoy! They're just really ang ginagawa ko mag-shortcut. Look at them! Just because designer said, we're going to give away 1 million. Hey, everyone do not go on the parkour. Look at this dude. Kanina jam dito. Oh, kasi ko magkakalas na ako. Saan ko lang Goku yan? Oh, nahulog si Goku. Goku dead. Saan ko ba na lang? Hirap pa nito. Hindi nga pwede maglagay sa glowstone. You are very confusing. Hold up, may gagawin. Bawal ka kasunod. Saan yung cobblestone? Sinira yung cobblestone. Sinira yung cobblestone. Where did the cobblestone go? Oh my god, this is so nothing interesting. This is literally just me. This is our island. This is our island. Stop! Dito? Dami nag-participate. Ang flag. Okay? Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't have slabs. This is so demanding. Ano mo ako ng slab, lalagay ko dito. Ganyan ba? teleport. Hindi player yan. Hindi siya nag-cheat. Wait, may naisip ako dyan. Kasi napakahirap ng mga Neo jumps. Lalagyan ko ng ladder sa sides. Sa middle sides. Hello, Jed. Whoever wins first. Whoever wins. Dito, itong dalawa na to, wala na itong ladder. Oh, I am going to destroy. Oh, I Nananalo siya Dylan. Walang ladders dito. Wala akong lalagay na ladders dyan. Move! Dylan! Dylan! Oh, talo na dyan. Hoy, bawal mag... You cannot team. You cannot team. Uy, bawal! 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 Hindi ka naman helper dito. Ikaw ang mag-participate. Bawal mag-team. You cannot team. You cannot team. Ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba? Oh, I'm going to do something very annoying. I'm going to annoy. I'm going to be very, very annoying. Bakit naman sabi mo? Sabi mo mahirap. Sabi mo mahirap yung tapos. Can you stop the profanity, sir? May gagawin. I'm going to rage quit this thing. Oh, is that even a word? Notify to end. Nag-grade school. Grade school lang ako. Oh, si Josh! Oh, munti ka nang manalo si Josh! Munti ka nang manalo si Josh! Munti ka nang manalo si Josh! Natapos ko ng video jump mo siya eh! I still can't believe that this worked. We have so many people. I just like to see people are weird on our island. Oh, this guy, this guy. I think this guy's about to win. No 3M, no 3M. You're right. Dito kasi dito sa island natin. Ano kung kailangan niyo mahirap? Lagi pang gusto nito na madali. Gusto niya lagi madali. Oh! Naka-neo jump si Josh! Nakaka-US pa siya. Woo! Woo! Neo jump! No! Nasa second last jump na siya. Nandito na kami siya sa last glowstone. So, masyadong matagal. Pwede nila si Josh! Oh no! Nahulog si Josh! Nag-expected si Dark Knight eh. Oh, si Jed! Si Jed! Nandito na si Jed! Oh, si Jed! Ito na si Josh! Ito na si Josh! Ito na si Josh! Oh, nagbibihap siya oh! He's be happy! He's be happy! Hindi ko nga kayo mahanap eh. Konti na lang kamo ng tao. Di na. one of the best projects we've made. Here comes Jed. Here comes Jed. Hulog sa void. Papanoorin ko muna si Josh. Yung isang Neo jump, hindi naman masyadong Neo jump. He is one-shotting all of them. Josh is right behind you. Beat him. Alam mo ba kahit manalo ka pa, you're basically giving money to yourself. Matatawa ako kung mapupunta ka sa YouTube channel niya. Subscribe to Josh B, by the way. Do not subscribe to me. I'm just kidding. Please subscribe. I need subs to feed my family. By the way, meron akong bagong... Yung isang armor, merong Berserker 8. Ikaw kasi napaka-negative mo, Dylan. Eh. Oo nga, si Desire. Kasi hindi naman talaga si Desire gumawa nito. Eh, syempre nga, 1 minute to. Tapos sasabihin mo, gusto mo madali. Shoot. Go. Oh. Oh! iOS player si Josh! iOS player si Josh, tapos marunong siya mag-Neo jump. Ano? Bawal maglagay ng letter sa chest. Lalagyan ko na. No, di ko nga magawa yung Neo jump. Susubukan ko i-beat yung end. My friend! Jed. Yung ginawa ko sa end. Mahirap yung end jump. Mahirap. For me, I think the end jump is hard. You can't even sprint jump it. You have to do something very special. Aba, nag-team si Desire. Hindi, nag-leave lang ako sa game. Di magkano ibabayad natin sa kanila? Oh, lagi kang galit. Eh, siyempre nga, 1 mil yung price. Bakit ba lagi mong gusto lang difficulty easy? Okay. I-write ko yung game ng tag ng player sa end. Tapos, ikakopy ko sa clipboard ko. Sasabihin ko kay Devon, hindi na nalo. Okay, guys, let's move to the for today's video. I'm going to some more items. I don't know. It depends. It depends.